Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EROS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall, rough movement, and I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say that. I mean, the past few days has just been, lower lows and lower highs. Although today that started to change around as the price did get a nice little bounce from these lows up to where it is right now. Don't get me wrong, there's still a whole lot of more work that needs to be done, but definitely a step in the right direction. And also why this area right here is now a very, very important level as far as, the chart is concerned, right there at $1.75. Why is $1.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that, price movements with true power, you want to see them progress forward. So, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but really just to illustrate things. So let's say if the price came down to $1.75 and then just kept on going, what would that be doing with the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price essentially right back at those lows where it was. And, again, going back to where a price was, not exactly the sign of any sort of true strength. Whereas if the price came down there, behaved like that, and then started to work its way back upwards, what would you have at that point? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows that were even a little bit lower. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, sure, it's not the most ideal situation, but you would still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. You want to see progress being made. And in this situation, quote unquote progress, I'm defining as $1.75. Now, preferably speaking, and I say preferable because this would definitely make the chart look the strongest going forward, would be if the price can continue to hold above $1.85. However, if $1.85 doesn't hold, then for the reasons already discussed, you'd still have the $1.75 mark as an important level of support. As far as areas of resistance are concerned going forward, continue to watch that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now, that is valued at $2.18. So all in all, yeah, like I said, there's still a lot of work that still needs to be done, but definitely a step in the right direction. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not as the week plays out. The good news is still 4 days left this week, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.